A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class, and we are going to continue with the topic we started yesterday, which is nouns. Let us quickly revise what we have seen yesterday. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, Ali, cell, coat, chair, etc. Right? Children, we studied about common nouns and proper nouns in our last class. We have seen common nouns name people, places, and things like man, school, dog. These nouns do not begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns name specific people, places, and things like John, park, street, elementary, rover. These nouns begin with a capital letter. Now, today we are going to study collective nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. Let us start with collective noun. What is collective nouns? Children, it is the term used to refer to a group of people, things, or animals. For example, an army of soldiers. Okay, that means in a group there are many soldiers, so they are together termed as army. Okay, a bunch of keys, many keys are there, so in a group together they are termed as a bunch. Okay, a team of ducks, there are many ducks together, so as a group they are named as a team. Okay, collective nouns are one word that names a group of people, animals, or things. Okay, that is a collective noun. Okay, children? Okay, let us see some more. A group of people, animals, or things are called collective nouns, like family, herd, bouquet, fleet. Okay, these are the terms used as collective nouns. Okay, a family of people, we name the group as family. Herd of elephants. Okay, many elephants together in a group are termed as herd. Okay, bouquet of flowers, many flowers together in a group is named as a bouquet. Okay, we can address them as a bouquet. Similarly, fleet of ships, many ships together in a group can be referred to as fleet. Okay, let us see some more here, children. A brood of chickens, a bunch of keys. Brood, bunch, these are collective nouns. Okay, a band of men, a cast of actors. Children, on the screen right now in front of you, all these collective nouns under the heading people are highlighted with red, under animals are highlighted with purple, and under things are highlighted with green. So all these are collective nouns. That means a group of same kind are referred with one particular name. That is a collective noun. Alright? Okay. Now let us see abstract nouns, children. Children, abstract noun. An abstract noun is something you cannot touch, we cannot see, we cannot taste, we cannot smell, we cannot hear. That means the nouns which don't have any sense. I mean, these 5 senses are not there in it. Okay, we can only feel. Okay, you can only feel. We cannot see and we cannot touch. Those are abstract nouns. For example, bravery. Children, bravery is a feeling, okay, which comes from inside. You cannot touch bravery. Your health, your freedom, all these are feelings. Alright? Let us see some more. Here is a list, children. Fear, pain, speed, happiness, joy, wealth, beauty, law, rules, tenderness. All these in front of you is a list. There is a list, and all these are abstract nouns. All these are feelings, children. Okay, we cannot see and touch them, we can only feel it. Alright, now let us see material nouns. A material noun is that what refers to a material or substance from which things are made. such as silver, gold, iron, cotton. Okay, that means the things, the materials from which we make something. For example, glass. We use material glass to, make crockeries. We make glass crockeries, right? Wheat is used to make flour. Gold is used to make jewelry. Coal is used to make something from it, alright? All these are materials from which we make something, children, okay? Like see, wood. From wood you made a chair. Cardboard, you've made a box. From big bricks and cements we make a house. From paper we make a book, leather, bag, plastic, cup. So these are materials from which the things are made, children. Let us see some more. Toothpaste, jewelry, money, all these are made with some material. Okay, let us quickly summarize all the 5 kinds of nouns we have seen, children. Common noun refers to the name common to all persons or things of the same kind, like boy, girl, city, book, etc. Proper noun refers to the name of a particular place, person or thing, like Taj Mahal, Ganges, New Delhi, etc. Collective noun refers to the name of a group or collection of many taken together of the same kind. Crowd, herd, feet, etc. Abstract noun refers to the name of a feeling, state of mind or quality, something which cannot but only felt. You cannot see or touch them, okay? Honesty, bravery, faithfulness, all these are feelings. Material noun, these are the nouns that refer to the names of materials or substances out of which things are made. Gold, iron, food, etc. Out of which we make some other thing, which are used as raw materials. We use it and then we make something else. Okay, these are material nouns. Children, we will discuss and see it more from the book. We will do the book exercises and practice it well. As much as you will practice, you will understand it all the more better. Okay, children? Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.